Okay, I'm gonna choose two players for that one, which are gonna be sound effects. I'm gonna have Ryan and Tim. And sound effects are gonna be provided by Danny and Aaron.
We have them.
Hopefully I'm loud enough.
Okay, can you explain the game quickly?
Yes. Quite simply, Tim and I will be acting out a scene. However, our world will be mute and silent without these gentlemen. We'll be providing every noise, creak, sound effect, squeal, scream, and otherwise inappropriate noise that we encounter to our life. Like that.
Okay, you guys are prisoners that try to escape.
Did you bring the spoon? Yeah, I got it.
Shing. Watch it.
That's the shapes.
It's diamond plated, man.
We can cut through the rocks with that one.
Yep. Okay, let's go.
You don't want to let them warn you.
Yeah.
I think I hear them coming.
Quick, back in your house.
Oh no! Our double bed is collapsing. That was a close call.
I think the warden's gone. Yeah. Okay, let's keep going.
Okay, we're at the electrical lines. We have to be very careful about this.
Okay. I'm a little nervous.
It's okay, I used to be a plumber. So the red wire.
Don't cut me.
Wire.
Definitely not this one.
Yeah. Red, you're dead. Blue, you're through. Yellow, you're mellow. Green, you have diarrhea. I vote diarrhea over dead, so...
Common misconception.
We didn't have chili for the last 8 days. So I think green it is.
Okay?
Okay, so the electric alarm system is probably off.
Alright, so you know what that means. We gotta go through the tunnel now.
Okay. Oh, it's a mole. It's a pregnant mole.
Hi.
Oh no.
Okay, how you doing?
Quick, I know.
What's your name?
You deal with the warden. Mr. Warden, sir. We're not doing anything suspicious at all.
Oh,
No, not at all.
well, you've moved 6 feet, so...
Size of my cell.
Well, as you were.
Well, if you say
Yeah,
so.
okay.